Hey you guys, thank you for clicking on that thumbnail to watch my DIY rose water video. I hope you like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. The beauty of making rose water, you can make from any kind of roses that you want to. Blood red roses, you can do pink roses, blue roses. I think yellow roses exist, white roses, any kind of rose water you want to. Why? Rose water is good for many things that you probably don't want to hear me talk about. So let's get into it. I bought these roses from the grocery store. I mean, you gotta work with what you gotta work with. I don't have a rose bush in the backyard because I have a black thumb. Okay? So, first things first, I need to take the flowers off of the stem. Or just take the rose petals off. That's all we need are the rose petals. When they're frayed on the ends, I kind of set those to the side. Look at how pretty! So pretty. Guess would be a smart thing to do. Take them out. While I take the petals, set them over here to the side. Sorry, roses, but you're gonna be put to good use, I promise. Now for my next step, we want to wash our rose petals. Let me check that. All right. We want to wash our rose petals, so we're going to put them in a strainer. Going back over, make sure we don't have any unnecessary excess things. We want to wash them because we want to wash off any free radicals that are on them. And we do not want to spray rose water in our hair and get attacked by gnats because we ain't clean these rose petals good enough. Now we're about to wash off our rose petals. And you can wash them down real good. Now I want to take my rose petals and put them in my pan that I'm going to boil them in. Put them over here. And I'm making this while my rice water is cooling off. Now I'm going to take my spring water and I'm going to pour it over the rose water. Oh, whoop, ah. Gotta be careful. Pour it slowly in your pan. Until the water is enough to well, this pan so big, almost got a whole gallon of water in there. So they are pretty much totally drenched in the water, and now hopefully I don't almost set myself on fire like the rice water. And I'm gonna keep it covered until the till after I finish boiling it. And I put it on the stove at 204. While my roses are boiling, I'm going to pour what's left of this gallon of spring water, and I'm gonna drink it because I'm gonna use this jug for my rose water. Recycle, reduce, and reuse, you guys. Take care of your environment. It is now 2:26, and as you can see, it's my water boil. The color in the roses, the rose petals, are starting to fade. You want to boil until all the color is gone in the petals. And make sure you keep them stirred. And because this top doesn't have a hole to let out steam, I just put it on there to let the steam come out. Okay, it is now 3 o'clock, and all of the color has left my rose petals. See? Now the rose petals are giving a translucent like appearance. Now I can turn off the fire, and I'm gonna let that cool off. Before we do our next step. Okay, now that my rose water has cooled down, I'm going to take the rose petals out. I almost pulled my water down the drain. Forgot I wanted the water, not the petals. You see how the petals is lost that red color. Like cabbage greens. Wish I had a better scoop. So I had to switch out my jug because I lost the top to the other one. So to make this process go faster, my husband is gonna help me strain it. Hold on, me. Alright. Rose water. Thank you, babe. So So that's the rose petals that's gone. Now wait until you see this. Looks like, looks like Kool-Aid. Essential oil. My ylang. Oh yes. Now I'm going to pour my rose water in my spray bottle to moisturize my hair. Uh-oh. Good thing I made a gallon of it. There we go. Where's the top? And there you have it, folks. DIY rose water. You notice I put my rose water in another 365 spray bottle because I just love how spray. Now, I apply my rose water like this. I just go through and lift my locks. Let me warn you about this rose water. I don't know if my roses were too red, but if you're not careful, it will dye your clothes, dye your cabinets. We have white cabinets, and y'all see that? That's the rose water on our white cabinets. Was not expecting that. But as far as it goes on my hair, wonderful. That girl hair moisturized. Don't know how to act. See how moisturized it is? Don't look like tumbleweeds. You see that sheen, that natural shine? I have added jasmine essential oil to it because of a comment that I got on my rice water video. And let me tell you, it makes me smell like I'm a Fern Gully fairy. All right, that concludes my video. But before you go, did you think to yourself, man, I like her background? Well, guess what? This is my next video. Stay tuned.